Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hello, I'm Lisa. I'm from IB. Today I will show you about tiny bit Bluetooth controller. Okay, for the explanation, I will explain with my poster. Okay, this one. Yes. Wait. Oh my God. Sorry. Okay, this is um the the poster. The time is pink pink. This is the explanation. TinyBit is a robot that has many sensors, and here I made a TinyBit Bluetooth controller. The TinyBit can use for forward, is to move forward, backward, right, and left, and is controlled by a website. The name is Fluffy Control. And this is the logo. Yeah, the orange one, and this is the software, Microbit and Water Robot, and it's the code. Okay. And I will show you the full version of the order. Here it is. When the Bluetooth or surface will show this icon, and if the Bluetooth connects, will show the happy smile, happy face, and if disconnected, will show the incorrect icon. And this is the order. Okay. The car control speed is different. For the up is run, the down is back, the left is left, the right is right, and the stop is stop. Okay, in here I will show how to connect it to TinyBit, Microbit control TinyBit, how to control Microbit to TinyBit. Okay, we need to go to the code, the Microbit Microsoft, and take your TinyBit. Yes, like this tiny bit. And we need a microbit and cable. And put in here. Yes. And then to this one, put it in laptop for the Bluetooth icon. In my laptop is in left. Yes. And the microbit will turn on. So we need to click this download and click next and pair, and with this connect, and we need to waiting for a minute per second. Okay, if already downloaded, we need to put off, and the microbit is sorry, the microbit, put it on here. Yes, don't like this, but like this. Okay, slowly. Good, like this. Then turn on in here. Click. Yay. Wait for connect. So guys, remember if connect will show icon, smile icon. So this haven't connect. Okay. How to connect it is we need to go to the control. Sorry, the control. Okay. For connect, the microbit is click this logo and search your microbit name. Okay, this is loading again. Always loading. What's the name of this microbit? Okay, this one. Okay, it's already connected. So we can't control it by here by laptop. Okay, let's try it. Deal. This for the left, right, and this for the to the down. Okay, terrible try and before. Okay, I will open my Google. Control. Okay, one, two, three.
Oh my God!
Forward, backward, left, right. Yeah, and it can turn around. Oh, yay! Yippee! Terrible try and before. Okay, I will open my Google. Control. Okay, one, two, three. Okay, forward, backward, left, right. Yeah, and it can turn around. Oh, yay! Yippee! Okay. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.